Alright class, let's do a walkthrough on file organization, exporting, etc. for the MatlabOnline environment. So this is the default environment they give us. Now if I come over here, I say new, I want a new live script. And there we go. I can take that new live script, go save as, and I'll give it a name. Call it sample.mlx. And I'm just going to drop it into my file structure, the default storage area they give us for MatlabOnline. So this is sitting in the cloud. I log back in, it's still going to be there. If I want to get this from the cloud, I'll show you how to get it from it. But I want to keep things organized, so I want to right-click in this white space in my files area. Now, before I do that, this icon over here, if I click it, I can see the file space. I click it, it goes away. Now I see it, right-click in the file space, new folder. Create a folder, I'll call it sample stuff. And I want to drag that MLX into sample stuff, so now it's in there. We see it's tucked nice and neat inside sample stuff. Then anything I'm using in this submission, and I can right click, I say I want to rename it. Homework 1, Hammond, whatever. And now I've got this folder that has in it all the goodies required for this one assignment that I'm about to work on. So my sample.mlx is here. I can go through and put whatever I want in there. Put some text in here. Hello world. Put a table of contents in there. Maybe I'll put this in the table of contents, or however we want to do this. We can add in more, There's another video on that. So I've got stuff that's in here, whatever it may be. So let's say I want to just download this one file. I'll right click on just that file and download. If I click download, I'm using Chrome, so we see it went up into my downloads folder. Well, I don't want just that one MLX. I want the entire folder. Well, I don't see a download option here for the folder. Well, that's because you need to zip the file to get it out. So we'll create a zipped file. Now we've got a zipped instance of that folder. Now I can download that. It sent that to my downloads. In my downloads now, I can go to the assignment. Now I'm logged in here as student. I choose file. I go to downloads. And I can connect, or I can load in sample. And say I want to add another file. I want to add in that zipped file. And then I submit them. If there's any comments that I may have, I can put those in here. They will go with that submission. Once it's submitted, you can go in and add comments in on that task, on this task itself, the assignment. but make sure whatever that you're going to upload meets the requirements for this before you go upload it. Now, my environment's still here, and close that. I've saved everything. Go to MatlabOnline. And my work's still there. Okay? So there it is. Creating the MLX. The rest of it, the actual work in the MLX and those tasks, talked about in the on-ramp videos, and we'll discuss more as we hit these things in the course itself, in the live sessions.